In this video, I will share with you tips and tricks how to deal with ceramic floor tile and grouting. Ceramic floor tile is very unique and simple and easy to deal with, but see what happens when you don't do the right thing. This is my 120 square feet of ceramic tiles floor. These tiles were newly or freshly installed but did not get a grouting job as yet. So it's very important to clean the in-between tiles and move all unwanted debris or tin set or cement, whatever it would be. Fail to do so will end up ruining your tile job, meaning you will see unwanted pieces in the finishing if you don't do so. So it's very important to clean all the in-between joints. Spend as much time to get the in-between joints perfect. This is how you get a super neat finishing ceramic tile job. Very important. So spend as much time and get these joints clean. So as you can see, that's what the workman is doing here. Spending as much time to get the joints clean. So he don't start the grouting process yet. He's just preparing the floor, cleaning the in-between joints. And that is how you get a perfect grouting finish or tiling finish. So alright, yes, so after cleaning the tile, this is the grout. So we're gonna mix the grout. Bucket with the water, pour the grout. It's simple and easy, nothing hard, nothing to stress and worry about. Alright, so you can get something to start. Gonna use this Putty knife. You can use a tall piece of stick. Yeah. Anything you're comfortable use. A mix is a mix. If you have your mixing tool in the drill, you can use it as well. Mix is a mix.
Really want to nice fast.
Yeah, give them the things to look up nice.
Okay. Yes, the grout must make it's gummy. You know, nice and gummy. It's going in the groove of the 1/8 spacer. Yeah.
When it's a gummy, meaning paste it.
Yeah, paste.
Yeah.
Run in the groove. Yeah.
It must be kind of running.
Yeah, run in the groove.
Not too thick.
Not yet. Some lumpy, you rub out the lumps. And then you give it like 5 minutes and it sleep up and it get gummy. Of course. When you mix in tin set and grout, when you mix it finish, you give it like 10 minutes and it's sleep, It sleep up, and catch it body. This is a bun. This is bone sanding grout.
They have non-sanding grout and you have sanding grout.
Yes, you have non-sanding grout and you have sanding grout.
This one is the sanding grout.
Yeah, and it's very fine.
See? So that's the grout.
It's grout.
Ready to use. The
Ready
grout.
to use.
And that's the, what they call this tool, sir?
This is the float, the rubber float. This is the grout float.
Alright, so this is,
You have cement float and you have grout float with rubber.
alright, so
Yeah, best.
this one is the rubber float.
You have the sponge float and the rubber float. You have some of these like this, but it's sponge and this is rubber.
And do remember, you get all these in the bucket, the float, the grout. Do remember, you can get all these tools at your local hardware store. So you can get your grout, your tiles, and all the necessary tools to do your ceramic floor. You can get them at your local hardware store. So check it out.
Now I see it, let it go me.
Alright, so
You cannot mix it too rich first. And when by the time it starts to sweep up,
yeah, so what he's saying, you cannot make it too thick because you gotta sleep. So when you sleep, you get thicker. So
you get it thicker.
yeah. So you have to kind of make it a little bit watery.
And then you sleep up, I'd say.
Yeah. If you make it too thick, then you have to go back and add water to it. So that's a double work.
Adding water is not that properly cut, take away the strength.
Alright, so doing a good job. So back on the grout. So it's the process now where we clean the grout, the excess grout, unwanted grout from off the tile, and leave what you want between the tile. Is that right, sir?
Yes, sir. Without space to go, without color,
So
on the tile.
So what he's doing is clean the tile and not in between, because that's where you want to go to stay. So you just lightly wipe the joint when you clean the tile. Wet sponge and just clean. Easily come off. So that is how easy the tile, the coating, the tile take place. So this is cleaning the tile, and that's the end of the job. Yeah, when you clean it, well, the cleaning process might take more than one wiping session, you know, to get it, the tile super clean. And then that's it, easily, pretty settled like one. When it dry, because the tile is wet now, so the color of the tile will change, look darker, but when it dry back,
The grout have a complexion of the tile.
so I don't know if I'm saying what I'm saying easily understand, but it's easy. Nothing to worry about, cannot spoil. Okay, so this side is now grouted and leave it cool or dry. So it's cleaning the next side. So what he do, he put a piece of cardboard, any old cardboard box, and then step on it. So you don't want to walk on the one you just don't go, get not dry yet. So you can rest any old cardboard box or anything over it and step on it. So it will go out the next side soon. Okay, final wipe.
Mix up,
Yeah, final wipe.
do that part and then take time go through. Final wipe in the socks.
Yeah, final wipe now succeed, neat and tidy. Neat. Go to where goat's supposed to be.
If you give that one more wipe. Good.
So that's finishing touch. Goat in the floor. Very, very easy. Yes, and that is sponge. Sponge here using 40% these things. So you go to all the bit and then you want sponge to do. Wipe the floor, get the wipe the floor off the floor. So we did use the rubber float to put it in, and we use the sponge to clean it.
Fine. Good and no sponges.
See it shine.
No sponges, fine. Let's get the next wipe. Oh man.
So that's it. Simple and easy. Little do it yourself.